Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved used 2021 edition Volkswagen Golf style that does come complemented in the metallic and deep black pearl paintwork. Housing your 1.5 TSI engine and manual transmission, it is an ideal stylish and nippy city runaround, packed with plenty of advanced features to help you out on the open road, including enhanced visibility with your automatic headlights, stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, and for added protection, you do also have your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. The boot area offers a 381-litre capacity to easily accommodate all of your daily essentials. And moving into the rear, you will find a comfortable cloth upholstery with access to your pull-down armrest, central climate controls, and power outlets. The front does consist of your multifunctional leather steering wheel, central touch display screen for seamless navigation, and again, the comfort of your cloth trim. Moving on to the steering wheel, you do have your multifunctional options for seamless navigation once again, with your controls to navigate around your digital cockpit with all of your vital driving data, and the added bonus of your adaptive cruise control to keep you a safe distance. Moving across, you do have access to your navigation system for those unfamiliar areas, with of course your range of radio stations and your app connect to stay endlessly entertained. And for that personalized edge, you'd even have your ambient lighting with your overall mood themes and individual color choices with up to 30 to choose from. You do also have the activation of your front and rear parking sensors, which will easily come in handy when you are in those tricky parking spots. With, of course, your on-screen climate controls with the setting for the rear to ensure all passengers are comfortable, followed below by the convenience of your wireless charging pocket and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.